Hi, I'm Dean Darren, and today I'm going to teach you a little bit about Christmas lights and how to troubleshoot them when they're not working. Here I have a light set, and this happens to everybody and they don't understand why. Part of it's working, part of it's not working. It's a pretty simple thing that each light set is a series of bulbs. All those bulbs have to be in place and working to get the light set to come on. When you have a big section of lights out, that means one of the series is not complete. You also have situations where you have a light bulb that's dark, but the rest of the light bulbs are on. That's simply a burnout bulb. When you see that, you're going to pull the bulb out, replace the bulb with a working bulb, and if you notice the light set went out when I pulled the bulb out, put a new bulb in, the light set should come back on. You've now repaired that section of the set. But here on this set, we have the middle section that's dark, and it's a bunch of bulbs together. In this case, it's 35 bulbs in a row. We're going to use a Lightkeeper Pro today to fix this light set. The Lightkeeper Pro has two different features. One is a trigger method, which is called the quick fix method. The other is a power detector, where you push the button on the top of the Lightkeeper and it'll beep if it has power in that socket. So the first thing you're going to do with any light set that's out is you're going to pull out a bulb that's not working. Any bulb in this string can work. Pull it out. If it has a lamp lock tab, you're going to have to make sure it goes in this part of the Lightkeeper, and you push it onto the Lightkeeper. Push it on, pull the trigger fast. If the light set comes on, you've just repaired the light string. In this case, it didn't come on, so now you're going to use the power detector part of the Lightkeeper. And you just heard that beep. That's detecting power. When you go to your first bulb closest to the plug that's out, you're going to want to go to the base of the bulb, push the button, and get the bulb to beep. It's got to get power here, and we're not getting power right now. So all you simply do is take the plug, unplug it, turn it around 180 degrees, plug it back in, and now I will get power at this spot. You then can check the next bulb. If you're getting a beeping, that means you have power there. These two bulbs are good. Go to the third bulb, and you have power. Want to make sure you don't grab the bulb with your fingers because you'll ground it out and it won't beep. So keep your hand away. And now you don't want to have to check every bulb, so you can skip 4 or 5 and go down the row. That means everything to here is good. Skip a few more. Everything to here is good. And the beeping is stopping here. It's one of these two bulbs. Simply take the bulb out. You could check it in the Lightkeeper. There's a bulb tester here, and as I can see, this bulb isn't coming on. So I can take and use a new bulb and replace it and see if that solves the problem. When I put the bulb in, the light set comes on, and now the light set's fixed. And that's how you use the Lightkeeper Pro. We have these available in our store, and if you have a pre-lit tree or even a light string at home, you could bring it in and we'll show you how to use a Lightkeeper Pro to fix your light set. I'm Dean Darren, and that's my Christmas Quick Tip.